Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Well, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your rough sketches into the icons, and that's a free process, so you don't need to pay anything. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for autodraw.com. Just simply open this website. Now here I have previously drawn something. Let's reset this. Now here, all I need to do is to just simply hit this draw icon, this auto draw icon, and start drawing. For example, if I try to draw a flower, let's draw a flower, and they'll automatically create the icon for the same. Now here I've drawn a flower, and here you can see the customizable icons for the same. Just simply pick any of them you want. Now you can see I have picked up a flower icon, so by this method, you can easily customize the icons that you can use. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.